All right, I've run out of patience. On to Ruse!
Hey, everyone.
Look, it was extremely important to us. It was a favorite character growing up. So, look, he didn't need to be in this movie. You know, again, this was all driven by, once we decided it was Civil War, you know, sort of his presence came into question. And we felt like we needed him in this movie for a very specific reason, which is why we fought so hard to get him in the film. The movie is complicated, and the conflict between Cap and Tony in the movie is very complicated, and it goes to a dark place.
The panel sends us somewhere we don't think we should go. What if there's somewhere we need to go, and they don't let us? We may not be perfect, but the safest hands are still our own.
If we don't do this now, it's going to be done to us later.
And it's basically a movie about like tearing a family apart. So we knew we wanted to, like, we're big fans of balanced storytelling. We like movies that make you laugh and make you cry, make you think, scare you, whatever the case may be. So in order for us to balance the film on a tonal level, we knew we needed characters in the movie who, while they had a very good reason for being there, weren't as emotionally invested in that central conflict, didn't have all the emotional baggage going on, so they could have a more whimsical, lighter sort of touch in the film, so to speak. So that's why Spider-Man was so important to us.